9.1 Circles and Circumference. When we talk about a circle, we often talk about its radius or its diameter. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle, and the diameter is the distance across the circle that goes through the center. Okay, so here we have two formulas, one for diameter, one for radius. As you know, our diameter is twice our radius, and our radius, therefore, is half of our diameter. Also, when we talk about circles, we talk about finding its circumference. Circumference is the distance around a circle, and it's represented by this or these equations here. We have circumference equals pi times the diameter, which is the same thing as 2 pi r. Remember, your diameter is 2 times your radius. So over here, if we just were to plug this in, and instead of d, we put 2 radius pi, which is the same thing as this one here, right? So these equations are the same. You just use one or the other depending on if you know your radius or your diameter. When we use these, you see the symbol there, that's pi. We all know that it's roughly 3.14, or it can also be 22/7. Okay, so now you need to write in your notes. You need to label the diameter and radius on the circle, write down the formulas for radius and diameter, and enter a couple fill in the blanks for circumference. All right, now we have 2 practice problems. Okay, first practice problem. It says here that we have a diameter of 24 feet and we want to find the radius. Remember, our radius is the same as diameter divided by 2. So you simply need to plug this 24 feet in for your diameter and you'll find your radius. Okay, problem number 2. We have, it says here, find the circumference, use 3.14 for pi. Now remember, for circumference, one of the formulas was circumference equals pi d, right? We're given the diameter here, so that's the one we're going to use. And we simply do pi times 9. And they told us what to use for pi. So then you should be able to calculate your circumference. And that is the end of 9.1.